Okay, third time's a charm, because if this doesn't work, I will probably throw my computer in a bathtub. Anyways, so first I'm gonna start off by priming my face to make sure it's very hydrated and it looks super luminous in the pretty summer sun. Wait, it's not even summer. Oh god. See, there's no seasons here, so I just think every single day is summer. Anyways, I'm just gonna take this Makeup Revolution concealer and put it all over my face and under my eyes because I never sleep. Therefore, my eyes are as dark as my soul. Anyways, I'm going to set that afterwards. And I'm going to set my under eyes and the rest of my face, which is my whole face, which I just said, but you know, gotta really tell y'all. And then after, I'm going to use some colored powder to make sure that the random splotches of perfectness mix in with the other splotches of not perfectness. And then I'm going to contour my face so I just don't look like a round oval, and I look more like a chiseled oval. After that, I'm going to take some blush and I'm going to put it on my cheeks so it looks like I have some life to myself rather than look like some corpse. And then I'm going to stare into the camera because why not? And then I'm just going to do my eyebrows because I have no eyebrows. And this NYX pencil is pretty good. I mean, I think it's a little too brown. I probably should have got something darker. It just mixes in with my skin tone already, so it's fine. And then after that, I'm just going to set it with this L'Oreal eyebrow gel. And my edges, oh god, my edges, oh no. Afterwards, I'm going to take my headband from Shibui Dot Strands on Instagram, and I'm wrapping it on my head. And after, I'm just going to wet my curls in the front because that's the first thing y'all gonna see when you look at me. And I'm going to take Eco Styler, which is trash because I've discovered wet line gel, and wet line gel reigns over all the Eco Stylers. Eco Styler is no. Wet line is the boss. And then I'm going to fluff the hair in the back and then wipe my hands on that little white towel so I don't have to wipe over my clothes like a disgusting human being. And then I'm going to do my edges with a toothbrush, even though you probably can't even see the edges. And I will fluff out the front of my hair again. Oh, okay, you can actually see the edge. Okay, so then I'm going to take this liquid highlighter by Wet n Wild. I forgot what the color is called. It's like Golden Goddess? Goddess Glow? Something with a glow in it. Oh god, see, I don't know, I'm still sick after 2 months, and this video was filmed, 2 months ago, so that's kind of concerning, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna blend it using my fingers so I can really get that natural glow. And oof, cough. Disgusting. Okay. For my last step, I take Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm and done. So, you guys like this tutorial? This is from Shibui Strands on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. I just forgot the word link. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.